Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find digital well-being and parental controls. So let's tap on it, and here we have to tap on show your data. And as you can see, right in the middle we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. And as you can see, I've been using it for almost, let's say, 2 hours. Here we've got also the unlocks and notifications count, and right now we've got two different ways in order to check the details. So we can tap in the middle of this graph, and thanks to this we will be transferred to the graph which will show us how much time we've spent on the screen each day, and under it we've got the apps on which we've spent the time, and also the time of that. For example, we've been using the thumbs for 4 minutes, and we can go back, and instead of tapping in the middle of this graph, we can tap on particular app. So for example, the settings, and we will again see the weekly graphs, but just attached to this particular app. So that's quite a cool option. Let's get back, and of course after tapping on unlocks you will be able to check the unlocks, and so on and so on. Under it we've got ways to disconnect, which is also a cool idea, a cool option, because if you need the time to work, you need the time for yourself to rest and so on, you can set, for example, the bedtime mode or focus mode. So after tapping on it you will be able to mark the apps from which you receive the most notifications, which are the most distracting for you, and then set a schedule, and your device will simply limit the notifications which you will receive from this particular apps which you've marked. So, and that's a very good option if you really need time for yourself without any interruptions. Here you can also manage notifications and do not disturb mode if you want to, or if you'd like to enter parental controls, just tap here. So actually this is it. This is how to check total screen time in your Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.